Hi guys, welcome back to interview session. Okay, here we are discussing about the most interesting and frequently and most important every interview. When you are getting in your resume, you have skills on core Java and automation testing. Compulsory, most of the people asking this type of question. That question is nothing but a Fibonacci series. That question is nothing but a Fibonacci series. Today we are going to like writing the program and explaining the each and line to line what is this numbers, how internally program will be executed. Now let us see. Program is okay. Now before that program, what is this Fibonacci series number? Fibonacci series numbers is adding the number with existing numbers. Adding the number with existing numbers. Now let us see. It will start from the 0, 1, and to getting the next number, it should be adding the 0 plus 1 equal to 1. To get the next number, it will add in the 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Getting the another number, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Getting the another number, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. To get the another number, and 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Okay. To get the another number, 5 plus 8 equal to 30. Like that. To get next number, we need to go through the 21 with adding the existing numbers. With adding the existing numbers. And now here is the simple tricky. Here is the simple tricky. When we are understanding the logical, we don't need to go through that much of tricky. We can make it easy. Okay. Now let us go through the program. Here I am declaring the class. Class is Fibonacci numbers, and here I am going through the main method. Now let us see. Here I am declaring int a equal to 0. First two numbers are static. Before getting the second number, we have need to get the first two numbers is static. Start from a 0, starting from 0, and b equal to 1, and then here I am declaring c is null. C is null, and here I am getting a n equal to, if the interviewer asking print the starting 10 Fibonacci series numbers, we can make it as a number as 10. If the interviewer asking print starting 100 numbers, we can make it as a n equal to 100. Okay, this is the n value declaration. Now I need a starting from 1 to 10 Fibonacci series numbers. So this is the code. Here I am going through that. Before that, we need to know the definition of print and println. Print for which execution it is? Horizontal execution. Print for horizontal execution, print for vertical. So ln means next line, it will be printing. When we are using this println, after this line it will be coming to the next lines. Okay. When we are giving this print, it should be going through the linear execution. Now here I am going through the system dot out dot print a plus space plus b. It will be execute that 0, 1, and again we need to go through the for loop. Already two numbers was printed. Now int I equal to 3, I less than or equal to 10. So this loop will be executing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This loop will be executed 8 times. This loop will be executed 8 times when I am getting here plus plus. Okay, already completed 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it will be executed 8 times. Why? Because already we have printed 2 numbers. Now C equal to A plus B. C equal to A plus B. Now what is the C value? A value is 0 plus B value is 1. So C value is 1. C value is 1. So that system dot out dot print space plus C. Why? Because after here it was executed 0 and 1. After that it will execute in space, and after that C value is 1. Okay. Now here it will be getting the answer as here we are getting the 0 space 1. Here we are getting the 1. Why? Because C equal to A plus B. And after that A equal to B, B equal to C. Now loop was closed. And again here I am closing the main method and closing the class. Now let us see, class was opened here, class was closed here, method was opened here, method was closed here, loop was opened here, loop was closed here. Now let us see what is the execution. When I am running this program, my output I am getting the 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and 13 and 21 and 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the first 10 Fibonacci series number. These are the first 10 Fibonacci series number. Now this is the program. Anyone can write, but we need to go through the explanation. What is that explanation? Well, here we are using this loop for just looping purpose only. Here we are not using this I value. Loop number 1, it will get in that 1. And after that, here we are given a equal to B. Now, what is B value? B value is 1. So, A equal to 1. So, A equal to 1. And after that, what is B value? B equal to C. What is the C value here? C value is 1. So B value also 1. Now in coming to the loop number 1, A equal to 0, B equal to 1. Coming to the loop number 2 and C equal to 1. And coming to the loop number 2, again we are told that A equal to B. So A equal to 1. And again we are telling B equal to C. So B equal to 1. It will changing the numbers automatically. And now we are getting C equal to what we are told here, C equal to A plus B. Now A plus B equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. We are getting the value is 2. And after that another loop it will follow. Now let us see A equal to B. B means what is the B value here? B value is 1. So A equal to 1. We are told that B equal to C. B equal to C. What is the C value here? C value is 2. So B equal to 2. And again C equal to A plus B. Now 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So we are getting a 3. And another loop we are told that A equal to B. A equal to B means so B value is already we have got that 2. So A equal to 2 and we are telling that B equal to C. What is the C value? C value is 3. So B equal to 3 and C equal to A plus B. Now let us see 2 plus C equal to 5. 2 plus C equal to 5. Here I am telling that this is the program executing multiple times. Now 5, we have got 5 and another loop A equal to B. So A value, what is the A value? So previously B equal to 3. So A equal to B. So A converting into 3 and B equal to C. So B converting as a C value. C equal to 5 and C equal to A plus B. Now let us see what is the C value. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Again it converting into loop converting into A equal to 5 and B equal to 8. Now we are getting a C equal to 8 plus 5 30. 8 plus 5 30. And again loop number, again loop a equal to, what is the b value? 8. And what is the, now b value is, what is the c? 30. Now we are getting a 21. Finally loop number a equal to 13 and b equal to 21. So we are getting a 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 loops was completed. And after that, I will be converting 11. I will be converting 11. In this time, 11 is not less than or equal to 10. So condition will be false. So this is the execution of each and every loop. Each and every loop, this is the execution. Here it will follow simply starting from a equal to 0, b equal to 1. So c equal to 1. C equal to 1. Each and every time c will be printed. Before that, a equal to 0 already printed, b equal to 1 already printed. Now c equal to 1. Again we told that a will be converting into b value. So a equal to 1, b equal to 1. So c equal to 2. And again a equal to 1, b equal to 2, so c equal to 3. And again a equal to 2, b equal to 3, so c equal to 5. And again a equal to 3, b equal to 5, c equal to 8. And again a equal to 5, because of a equal to b, we told that. So b equal to 8 and c equal to 30. And again a equal to 8, b equal to 30, so c equal to 21. And again a equal to 30, b equal to 21, so c equal to 32. This is our execution: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 32. These are the starting 10 Fibonacci series numbers. If the interviewer asks that print starting 100 Fibonacci series numbers, just we can keep here 100, then automatically you can keep n also here. When the interviewer asks 100, then don't change here, just change n equal to 100. Before not using 100, you can go through direct here 10, no problem. Okay, now we can keep n here, we can print starting 100 Fibonacci series also. Okay guys, this is the program. This program will be making some tricky, but when you have understand the logic, it is a very simple program. And when we have a 100% probability, in 90% of probability, they are asking this Fibonacci series number. So this is the program and this is the explanation internally. Internally, JVM will collect this type of data and we can see in a neat way this like and this is the program. And after that, we can make it very possible. And when you are writing this type of programs, it will build your confidence. When it will be giving encouraging to you before to trying some more like this type of programs. Okay, and all the best. Thank you for the watching.
Hi guys, here we are going to executing the Fibonacci series program. Here we are going to executing the Fibonacci series program. So here I am creating the class. The class name is Fibonacci numbers and main method and finished. Now let us see. Here I am initializing the int a equal to 0 and b equal to 1 and c. I am just here declaring the c. So I am going to the here I am going to the print. Here I am going to the print. Print means horizontal execution. A plus space plus b. So when I am running this program, I got a 0 and 1. And we already know what is Fibonacci number we have seen. Here I am approaching the for loop for int I equal to 3. Why? Because already are completed 2. Here my question is print the first 10 Fibonacci series number. numbers. So here I equal to 3 and I less than or equal to 10 and then I plus plus. So now C equal to A plus B. C equal to A plus B. Now system.out.println. So here I am printing the space plus C. Space plus C. Now it will be printing that A plus B equal to 0 plus 1. And again I am giving that A equal to B and then B equal to C. Already we seen that how the internal mechanism will be followed. So here I am using print statement. So when I am running this program, I got the 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. This is the starting printing the starting Fibonacci numbers. If the interviewer asked that write the first 50 numbers, then we can go through the save this program. When I am running this number, so it was printed that up to 50. It will printed that up to 50. Okay. This is the program for printing 50 numbers. Like that. If the client has 100, we can go through the 100 also. Okay. This is the execution of Fibonacci numbers. Thank you.